Equipment is critical to the profitability of every heavy civil construction company, but many struggle with outdated or fragmented systems that challenge their ability to manage maintenance processes efficiently. Maintain, the computerized maintenance management system from B2W software, links heavy civil construction shop, field, and management teams and helps them maximize equipment utilization and cut maintenance costs. The software manages all aspects of the maintenance process, drives preventive maintenance programs or PMs, and provides enterprise-wide access to equipment status and history in real time. The equipment area of Maintain allows you to store crucial information your mechanics need to access in a single place. Use equipment meters and leverage any AEMP-compliant telematics device to update those meters and provide critical location data. Manage warranties on equipment, ensuring that you maximize warranty value. Create an unlimited number of PMs that trigger off equipment meters or timed intervals. You can also access a complete history of all the maintenance work that's ever been performed on that machine, all in a single, easy-to-access location instead of spread across servers, file cabinets, or shop floor desks. With centralized data, Maintain then delivers functionality to manage all aspects of workflow for maximum efficiency. Start with a maintenance request. Requests can be created by mechanics, triggered automatically by PMs, or sent from B2W Track, the field tracking element of the One platform. Requests can contain a priority and a description of the issue or a photo. Managers can then triage these requests to decide which ones become work orders. When a request is converted to a work order, the system provides other information about that equipment, such as any outstanding requests for that machine or any PMs and how close they are from needing to be done. This helps managers make better decisions about what work needs to be performed and prevents multiple trips to the shop. Work orders can then be scheduled to mechanics using a simple drag-and-drop tool. See which mechanics have work orders and what their workload is over a given period of time, as well as overdue work orders. When scheduling work orders, Maintain also shows nearby equipment that needs repair, based on GPS data, letting you assign work orders more efficiently. Mechanics can then complete their assigned work orders using the B2W mobile app. This intuitive app for iPad and Android tablets allows mechanics to access their work orders and enter their hours, as well as parts used for the repair. They can also access information about the equipment, including manuals and repair history. Hours entered into the tablet can be exported to payroll from the office. Maintain provides valuable data in an easily accessible way. The Dashboard tab of Maintain lets managers see how their entire operation is performing at a glance. See unassigned requests, unscheduled PMs and work orders, or an analysis of PM versus break-fix repairs and more, all on a single page. Click to drill down for more information. In addition to high-level dashboards and maps, Maintain lets you instantly leverage all the data that's been collected. Run reports to get key performance indicators, or see what your fleet is costing you in maintenance dollars. B2W Maintain gives you the reporting you need to make better decisions around asset ownership. Maintain is just one application in the One platform of products. All applications share data with each other and use the same unified database. Equipment, employees, jobs, and more are entered into a single place and leveraged across the platform, reducing errors and the time spent managing data. Track users can send repair requests from the field and update equipment meters to trigger PMs in Maintain. Work orders in Maintain are visible to dispatching and scheduling staff immediately, reducing scheduling conflicts caused by repair downtime. B2W Maintain is a simple-to-use but powerful tool to give companies more control and insight over their equipment fleet. Leveraging the power of the B2W One platform, Maintain can automate and improve almost every aspect of the equipment maintenance process to reduce costs, increase uptime, and maximize efficiency.